Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use GitHub API through anti-gravity to automatically commit your projects directly with a command in anti-gravity itself. This is a work in NN8 where I used Qwen 38B, a ONNX runner to do the workflow. Here, there was a large number of bugs which I had resolved with the help of anti-gravity, but as you know, many were not committed, but still I wanted to create a project so that in the future, if anyone needs to run ONNX runtime, the 8B parameter in Oracle Cloud, they can reference to this Git and get the necessary help. In the starting, I tried to access GitHub, which had a token expired, and I didn't remember it. So these were those sort of activities. And now I am going to github.com, see the search site so that you can directly access it. And then login. I have removed the login purpose for security reasons, and then go to the API, personal API, classical one, and then regenerate or generate according to the situation. And after getting the API key, go to anti-gravity, just paste it and say that update the .env file. If you are recording, then do it in a secure manner. Just mention it and it would do it in the background itself. And after I have told it, the result will be shown just in a few seconds. Yeah, so this is the result. The ONNX text or the debug process has automatically been created, and the Python code also has been uploaded to GitHub. And the last were some update process which I have done directly through anti-gravity.